If you want to create your own custom stickers on TikTok, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it directly inside the TikTok app. First, open TikTok and choose any photo slideshow or video you want to turn into a sticker. Now, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen to open the sharing menu. Next, scroll through the options at the bottom and look for the Create Sticker feature. Once you find it, tap on it. After tapping Create Sticker, on your Realme 15 series, you will see the Confirm option. Tap on Confirm to continue. Now you'll get two options, Trim and Add Text. You can trim the sticker or add text to customize it the way you like. Once you finish editing, tap on Create Sticker. After that, the sticker will be created successfully, and you'll see the Send option, where you can send the sticker to your friends directly on TikTok. And that's how to create custom stickers on TikTok easily.